G'day, it's Matt here. I'm going to quickly walk you through one of the challenges that I had trying to save a YouTube video where I got the dreaded "we can't save your video" message that you can see on the screen here. Retry in 5 seconds. Despite the number of times that I tried to overcome this, the challenge that I found was that I could not save the video regardless of what I tried. So how did I resolve this? So when I first tried editing this video, and this was actually upon the upload, I had a very long file name that was attached to this. And as you can see on the screen here, that this file name was well over 100 characters. So YouTube has stripped it down to 100. And the changing of that was not able to be done on the web browser. So the next thing I tried was moving from one IP address to another, because at this point in time, I'm working at a friend's house and I was connected to an internet connection that I hadn't been connected to before. So next step. So the next suggestion that I found online was to click on the share link and see how that goes. Now I have got a video here that's scheduled to go into the future, but coming to the page where I can see that it's listed as private at the moment because it hasn't actually published yet, there is no option to be able to share this. So that wasn't something that I could actually leverage. After that, the next suggestion that I had was to try a different device or a different browser. Now it didn't matter what kind of device I was using or what browser I was using, I wasn't able to get any of the changes to commit outside of YouTube Studio on my mobile, which wasn't exactly very logical or convenient, but I was able to make a title change via the YouTube Studio app on my mobile. So that's probably worth giving a shot on your end. Another option that was suggested was clearing the cache. So in Chrome, I came up to the menu options and went to settings, and the really easy way is just to look for cache. With that, clear all time and delete data. However, that did not work. Something else that I tried was logging out and logging back in of the account, but unfortunately that didn't work either. Another suggestion was made to add or edit tags in the video. So I added a tag down the bottom here because I had space for one more, which was just vid, and I gave that a shot and tried to save, but unfortunately that too did not work. So what I did notice was that the description that I had was quite long. You can see here 5,283 characters with a maximum of 5,000. So to overcome that, I stripped out one paragraph that I could do without in this description, and I stripped out another paragraph. You can see I've now got 4,788 characters in there. Come back up to the top. I'm going to put the video title back in that I want, and then save the changes. And as you can see, these changes have been committed, they have saved. It isn't necessarily to do with a lack of resources available at the time. It's more likely to do with too many characters being in one of the specified fields where the video is not able to actually be saved at that point in time.